Hello to all of you guys watching on Boeing.com. We are live in Everett, Washington, just north of Seattle for the Boeing 777X first flight. You know, it looks like the skies are gray today, but today is a lot better conditions than yesterday. There were about 8,000 employees joining us yesterday on the flight line here.
It's unfortunate that we weren't able to fly yesterday, but of course safety is a priority here at Boeing. As you mentioned, it's looking a lot better today.
001 Heavy Painter, registered, advising you're ready for departure.
8 world-class customers that have purchased this aircraft so far: ANA, British Airways, Cathay Pacific, Emirates, Etihad, Lufthansa, Qatar, and Singapore. A huge thank you.
This is spectacular. I'm proud of all the employees that put their heart and soul into this. It takes an effort across the company. The 777X, with its long range capability and increased capacity, is going to really change the world one more time.